Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. This video is about Warden Protocol once again. And in this video, I will tell you something that's coming for Warden Protocol that improves its value proposition very tangibly. You should take Warden Protocol as seriously as can be. If you missed new teen, I believe Warden Protocol is grander in what it's building. It's also focusing on decentralized LLM models in crafting its AI agents and all that. Now you'll also be able to create your own AI agents with Warden Protocol, list it on a marketplace, and monetize it basically. And there will be plugins that allow you to incorporate decentralized LLM options. For example, you will see Warden Protocol itself is making use of Venice. I've covered Venice long ago. It's an AI, it's an let's call it an LLM that's decentralized. Anyway, let's not bore you with technicalities. For this video, I'm simply going to show you what to do to get started with Warden Protocol in terms of earning pumps as an end user. After we've done that, I'll show you what's coming next with for Warden Protocol. Basically, to cement why you should take Warden Protocol seriously, you should also be excited about the future of productivity that will emerge out of Warden Protocol. That's how I look at these projects, more in terms of productivity than where airdrops become are a bonus. Okay, so typically, of course, when you onboard on Warden Protocol, you'll need an invite. At the moment, your invite will be in the description. I'll see if I can show it on the screen. Then there are basic activities you can carry out at the moment to earn pumps. So make sure you exhaust those activities daily. Of course, one of this activity is first off, during the onboarding, you will need to, create a coin for, gamification and all that. You can tap this. Now, I don't know if this increases your pump count, but you can, tap on that, especially if you're on a mobile phone. Then you click on tasks, your first chat, which generally will involve research on the subject of Web3 or token swap, will earn you 15. Both activities will earn you 15 points total. Now, for a token swap, of course, you will need to fund your account with some SOL. This wallet is non-custodial. You can basically import it. By the way, the invite is shown here, but I'll see if I can show it later on in bigger font. But it's basically 3239B. Okay, so once you have funded your wallet, mind you, you can also manage your wallet manually. Okay, then you perform this quick quests. Okay, so first chat. In the chat, you can do research. By the way, it's very proficient with respect to research, but I can also say now it's proactive. It has IQ as well. For example, when I told it to liquid stake, sorry, I just tried it for proficiency, proactivity, and all that. So I said liquid stake my soul, no, 20% of my soul. So liquid stake. Now, generally, it can only perform, swap activity, but IQ wise, it's capable. So it was able to identify that okay, if it swaps to Jupe Soul, that's liquid staking, and that's what it did. Okay, so let's quickly perform this. Okay, so says your current soul balance is approximately this. To liquid stake 20% of your soul, you'll be looking to stake approximately this. So I'll say proceed. Now, on the basis of the chat, you've already earned 5 pumps. Now, pumps, it can translate into the size of your airdrop in the event of an airdrop. So it has already done the swap. This is the transaction details here. If you check my wallet, you refresh, you'll see that it has bought some Jupe Soul. Okay, so token swap from Soul is not specified. You have successfully staked 0. So it says it's successful. Okay, so you see, I now have Jupsol, and it's performed as it swapped 20% of my balance. So that's done. Now, another thing you can do, of course, is play games that will also earn you 10 pumps. So They've increased the number of games, by the way, so there are different ones. Basically, you can play this snake one. So it's more, you know, you're about to see what's coming, more broader horizon than Magic Newton. For those who are familiar with Magic Newton. Okay, let's end the game now. Okay, so that's that. You've already earned your 10 pumps. I'm doing that for a total of 25 pumps. Of course, you can invite others. They will need an invite. It's invite only. So this is your invite link. This is 3239B. Okay, then that's that. Now, what's coming, which is as exciting as can be. Now, more activities for in terms of. Oh, so this is the leaderboard. Interesting stuff. Okay. So this is actually pumps earned by others. Wow, the topmost person on the leaderboard is really highly ranked. Highly ranked. But I don't know. Some of them have their Twitter accounts, so I don't think that this is pumps earned. I don't really know how this is. I'll have to ask questions about this because some of them they have their Twitter accounts added. So, and this one, you see, you can toggle here. You can toggle here, and it says Yapper only. So that is on the assumption that you've added your X account or something. So I don't know if people are earning pumps from yapping or something like that. I'm not even very sure. I need to find out about this because I did add my X account, by the way, but I don't know how to find myself on the leaderboard. But I did add my X account. I believe you can add your X account in your profile settings or something like that. I will do another video about that. So this is an underlooked aspect of uh, Warden Protocol. Now, this is what's coming. Some more of what's coming. Agent Hub. Now, this is important. Imagine a suite of all the strongest AI agents in your arsenal. For example, this is Apex Liquid. It will be able to track and analyze wallet performance, trade perps on Hyperliquid, copy top smart money trades. Now, imagine having all these tools within your Warden Protocol account. This is Skybot will be able to analyze and improve your social performance. So this is relating to Kaito. This is Venice, your favorite private and uncensored AI chatbot. So this is the LLM model I was referencing earlier that is decentralized in nature. Uh, uh, has its own value proposition compared to like the likes of ChatGPT because of its decentralized angle. Okay, this one is virtual protocol oriented. Again, imagine all these tools shown here. And what's coming next is the ability to create these tools, by the way, and then feature it on this portal here, this agent hub for the productivity of others. Now they are creating a portal that will enable you uh, create your own AI agent and train it. And they've also provided plugins, which you can start experimenting with at the moment. I believe this is on testnet. And these are all the models available now that you can integrate into your build. And here you see this is Venice. Add all leading open source LLMs directly to your smart contract. Predictive prices. This is powered by Warden itself. Predictive price feeds for 100 plus assets, helping apps to act on tomorrow's market today. Interesting stuff. This is powered by Venice. This is place smarter trades with machine learning models that analyze data and recommend the best orders, price feeds, Connect. Skip Connect brings real world prices for 2,000 currencies into your app. You can also suggest plugins using this form. Interesting stuff. So imagine I'll have to do another dedicated video about this, but I'm so interested in this. Uh, you know, let's click on integrate. So this plugin enables your smart contract to request LLM inferences from the Venice AI. It takes ABI encoded solidity structures and returns strings. In the output, users define the prompt. I'm going to create an app relating to this. I'll just experiment using vibe coding portals like DevFun. This is on the testnet. So I'm going to experiment with this in a dedicated video. So you can imagine the type of productivity that will emanate from Warden Protocol. The value proposition for the project is tangible. Now, seeing all this in the making, seeing the grand vision. So it's time to take this seriously. Of course, you can yap about Warden Protocol. I'll also have a dedicated video for yappers, the structure of their reward distribution, for you. That will come about in a separate video. For now, to yap about them, of course, you would want to onboard on Kaito with your X account and then start yapping. Now, if you have inquiries about how to yap effectively with respect to Warden Protocol, you can contact me. Avenues to reach me will be in the description. You can go to airdropc.com and use the contact form on the homepage to reach me. Now, I'm working on 100 solid airdrop prospects. One that I'll be taking seriously now is Warden Protocol. So I'm going to do a series of videos, tutorial, and compile it into a publication tutorial, which I'll be sending out to subscribers, along with 100 other airdrop prospects. So submit your email here to be able to receive emails about airdrops. Also, contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.